Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
Hyper-realistic modern courtyard garden. Light beige and gray stone paving stones, geometrically shaped planters, containing various green plants, grasses, and shrubs. Several rectangular water features with small fountains. Off-white/light gray planters with geometrically patterned surfaces. Sunlight softly illuminating the scene, creating warm highlights. Tall, mature green trees and shrubs outline perimeter walls and gardens. Light beige/gray stucco or concrete walls. Sliding glass doors to a modern home visible in the background. Focus on the texture of the materials and lighting in the scene. Tranquil and aesthetically pleasing. Hyper-realistic Japanese garden pool, evening, light beige/gray stone patio, dark teal/gray rectangular pool with ripples, illuminated carved light beige/cream lanterns with intricate patterns, surrounded by lush green foliage, bamboo screens and walls create a secluded patio area, warm golden/peach colored lighting, trees and bushes, subtle shadows, modern Zen design, detailed landscaping. Calm water reflections, lighting highlighting the water features, natural stone, ambient. Light, calm and peaceful atmosphere. A beautiful, sunny garden scene. Hyper-realistic, with a wooden swing set against a backdrop of lush green trees and a light brown wooden fence. The swing is a simple, dark brown wooden bench with slatted back. The garden is full of various green plants and shrubs, and pops of pink and purple flowers. A pathway of light brownish-gray bricks runs through the scene, leading to the swing. The light suggests a golden hour or late afternoon sun, casting warm shadows in the garden. Focus on the swing and the details of the plants and flowers in the foreground. Detailed tree bark, and textures of the foliage and wooden fence. Tranquil and peaceful feeling. Modern minimalist Zen garden. Hyper-realistic. Light beige gravel ground, large, light gray, smooth river rocks, low-maintenance grass and shrubs. Wooden stepping stones/pavers in light brown, forming a pathway. Large deciduous trees with green foliage. Dark gray modern house with wood cladding and large, sliding glass doors opening onto the garden. Inside view through glass doors shows a dining area with a table and chairs. Natural light illuminates the scene. Warm light beige, gray, and brown color palette. Calm and serene atmosphere. Photorealistic garden scene, vibrant flowers in shades of red, pink, orange, and peach, lush green foliage, a pathway of weathered gray stone pavers meandering through the garden, a wooden park bench situated in the middle ground, wooden fence in the background, sunlit atmosphere, detailed blossoms, a house partially visible in the background, carefully manicured flower beds, impressionistic style. Soft focus on flowers and plants close up, depth of field, detailed textures on leaves. Petals and stone, sunlight filtering through the foliage, realistic shadows. Photorealistic, impressionistic, charming farmhouse, sunny day, whitewashed exterior walls, terracotta roof, dark brown shutters, orange trim accents, rustic wooden picnic table with white tablecloth, ripe red tomatoes on the table, flower beds with vibrant orange, yellow, and pink flowers, raised garden boxes, gravel pathway, lush green grass, mature trees casting dappled shadows, small decorative trees in planters, wooden fence in the background, a tranquil and inviting country, warm light, soft shadows, detailed textures, clear sky, slightly hazy, wide shot, perfect for a European-style countryside scene. A garden courtyard, hyper-realistic, light beige and tan stone pavers, a wooden hammock with cream-colored cushions and a cream-colored throw blanket, lush greenery, a bamboo fence, vibrant pinkish-orange flowers, tropical plants, medium-light green foliage, bright sunlight, natural shadowing, peaceful tranquil atmosphere, detailed textures, soft lighting, impressionistic, tropical vibe, relaxed setting. Outdoor patio, hyper-realistic, a garden courtyard setting. Cream-colored wicker furniture with orange, red, and peach throw pillows. A round wicker coffee table in the center of the patio. A rich, terracotta orange, patterned rug beneath the furniture. Large potted plants, including palm trees and other tropical greenery. A lush green hedge forms a backdrop, and a bright orange sunshade canopy covers the seating area. Beige-colored building walls. Natural light and warm, sunny tones. High-quality rendering. Photorealistic, tranquil waterfall scene, lush forest, large, moss-covered gray rocks, crystal-clear turquoise pool, small waterfall cascading into a calm pool, ancient trees with gnarled roots, variety of green foliage, ferns, plants, soft sunlight filtering through the trees, impressionistic lighting, detailed textures, natural setting, zen garden, peaceful atmosphere. Photorealistic, charming cottage, light beige stucco exterior, covered porch with wooden beams and a pergola, lush green ivy climbing the walls and beams, warm brown wooden decking, outdoor furniture including chairs with yellow cushions, a brown front door with a wreath, window with dark frames, lots of greenery, trees and shrubs around the cottage. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating dappled shadows on the deck, wooden fence, soft lighting, peaceful garden setting.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.